Yucky.
Yeah, yucky.
You got it? Could you reach it? Could you reach it? Oh, you're smart. Good boy.
This little
No more
boy
dance. No more dance.
This little
Yeah,
boy
Michelle's tired. She's gonna go
is
home
having
soon.
his back rubbed. Oh, he's going down.
All right, so you have him till about 12. No?
Okay.
Where you go, Michael?
I got him laughing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oops.
Hey,
Was that a little
Ryan.
burp? Was that a little burp, little guy? Look at that little chin. Oh no, not the hiccups. Oh, those dreaded hiccups. See, that was a
he
little
gets
burp and now he has the hiccups. Oh.
Aww.
Look at this little hand. How tiny this little hand.